Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome to Legally Speaking, the YouTube channel where we dive into complexities of criminal law with valuable insights from Aitken Robertson. I'm your host, Melanie van Aarde, a licensed paralegal at Aitken Robertson. Today we are tackling an important topic in DUI cases, care and control of a motor vehicle. What does it mean to be in care and control of a vehicle? How does this impact DUI law? To help us unpack these questions, we are joined by Taryn Paul Dhaliwal, whose extensive background in criminal law includes working on cases involving impaired driving, fraud, and even murder. Taryn Paul has been instrumental in securing favorable outcomes for clients from having charges withdrawn to obtaining peace bonds and careless driving. So stay tuned as we break down what you need to know about care and control in DUI cases. Taryn, what does care and control of a motor vehicle mean, and how is it defined in the legal context?
To have care and control of a motor vehicle, it's a situation where if an individual is not driving the vehicle, but they're in the vehicle, for example, in the driver's seat, whether or not the ignition is turned on or off, that would be considered an individual that has care and control of a motor vehicle. The Supreme Court of Canada outlined the elements of care and control, which include, number one, an intentional course of conduct associated with a motor vehicle. Number two, a person whose ability to drive the motor vehicle is impaired or whose blood alcohol concentration is above the legal limit. And lastly, in the circumstances that create a realistic danger to persons or property.
Is it possible then that I can be charged with care and control of a motor vehicle even if I wasn't actually driving or moving the vehicle at any time?
Absolutely. Unfortunately, the way the law works is that even if you're not driving, for example, if you're parked at a plaza and you're in the driver's seat of the vehicle and you're asleep or you're waiting for someone to come pick you up, you would still be eligible to get charged with having care and control of a motor vehicle if you're intoxicated.
What factors does the court consider to determine if someone had care and control of a vehicle while they are impaired?
That's a great question. There's a number of factors that the court would consider. For example, number one, the level of impairment at the time of the arrest, whether there were keys present, whether the ignition was turned on or off, the location of the vehicle, whether the accused person was at their destination or whether they were, far away from home, for example. The accused person's disposition and attitude, how were they speaking? What was their demeanor? Were they aggressive? Were they slurring their speech? Any sort of indicia of impairment, as well whether or not the individual had a seatbelt on or had a plan in place in order to get home. Those are all some of the factors that the judge would consider.
Thank you so much, Taryn, for joining us today and having a discussion about care and control of a motor vehicle. And thank you to everyone else for joining us on the Aitken Robertson Legally Speaking YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.